Hey guys, this is Ricky again. I'm doing a quick unboxing on the rdthifi T2 Plus. I'm gonna be doing a review of this, but I just wanna do a quick unboxing because these are new. Yeah, they're new on the block and there are a lot of hype on them, so let's see what's in them. Get this plastic out. Just got this today. I didn't get the originals T2, neither the T3 or T4, so this is gonna be my first 10 product. I got them because I heard they're really good, so see what's in the box. If it opens, I don't want to break the box. Let's see. Should be open. I think it's tough. Tough to get it. There you go. Oh my god. I almost had to break the box to get it out. These are for rdthifi. Comes with this blue box, gold rim here. There they are. See what's in the box. They got tips. They included these are comply tips, foam tips. That's nice. The cable. Comes with a card inside. Let everyone enjoy high quality music. Let everyone be able to enjoy high quality music. rdthifi. And that's it. You want to take a quick look at the cable. It looks nice. Oh yeah, this is like triple wind cables, high quality. Yeah, so here they are. I'm not gonna take them out yet. I'm gonna do a review later on them, but they look good. This was a quick unboxing. Be doing a review later on these, and I'll see you into the next one. Okay, bye bye.